I'm Kitty.
I'm Ray.
And we are Life of Slime. Today we're making Tangerine Dream. First of all, we're going to add some glue. Now we're going to add some shaving cream. Let's start adding the food colouring. We're going to add pink and orange.
To your shopping list.
We're going to add pink and orange to make a very pretty colour. Now I'm going to mix my food colouring in. Look, it's now we've all mixed it together, let's add some glitter.
I don't know that one.
Because this is Tangerine Dream, we're going to add some orange scent. Didn't add too much. Stop. Stop. Have you added the scent, Ray? Yeah. Okay. Now we've added the scent, we're going to activate it very carefully.
Do we need to add that first?
Oh yeah. Now it's all mixed together, we're going to activate very carefully.
You add some to mine, Annie.
So now it's starting to come together nicely. This one's extra fluffy. I added a lot of shaving cream. I did. Our slimes have finally come together. They're super fluffy and fun to play with. Mine is super fluffy and jiggly and crunchy. This slime is super stretchy and you can make fabulous slime swirls with it. Look how stretchy this is. Let's do a stretch test. Look how stretchy it is. Now we've mixed it all together and it turned this really pretty orange pink. Let's show you how good the stretch is. Slowly, surely. Whoa! I didn't know it could stretch that far. Look at this pipe.
I want some to play with.
Look how jiggly this is. This is so cool. Now. Whoa. It's a skipping rope. Now let's stretch a little bit to see if it stretches as far. Go on, get it.
This is Tangerine Dream.
The Tangerine Dream is fluffy, glittery and really stretchy. Thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and give us a like. Like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you do, you'll be in our Life of Slime group. Bye! From Life of Slime.